মানে পাশ থেকে বলছে বাবা কমেন্টও চাই, ম্যাডাম কি বলবো বলুন, মানে আমি বাংলাও বলে দিচ্ছি বলতেছেন।
অ্যাটলিস্ট আমার সেই ক্যাপাসিটি আছে যে আমি এই বয়সে ভিকটিমদের রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি, টাকার জন্য মাথাটা বিক্রি করিনি ধর্ষকদের কাছে, যেটা স্টেট করে। প্লিজ আপনার নিজের, আপনারা বাংলায় বলছেন, আমিও আপনাকে বাংলায় বলছি।
ওদেরকে
যে ধরনের মানে অভিব্যক্তি, তাতে তো আপনি never there was any molestation case against any judges. How can you tell against any judges? Judiciary is our respected place.
Madam, behave yourself.
Lordship, he is telling lie in the name of the judges. Accused only sent me insinuation letter against the judges. I can place before your ladyship that accused have stated that I have sitting with the judges. I have never ever complained against any judges.
Fair enough.
He is lying.
This is the order in the order.
Don't be so, impulsive. You need to maintain the decorum of the
Ladyship,
court.
how can he say against a judge that molestation case against judge?
You can say that.
What my senior advocate is trying to prove?
This is good.
Madam, please. I'm asking you time and again.
I bow down, Ladyship. I apology, but there was nothing like that against any judges.
Very good. If there is nothing against the judges as pointed out, it goes in your favor only that you have not done
I
anything.
bow down, Ladyship. I pray for apology.
Fair enough. Now
But
tell
kindly
me.
see, a professional having claimed herself to be a victim
Now,
of sexual assault. Sexual assault, kindly see.
Wait,
Just
sir.
she made a remark.
No.
See, I am lying. Well, this is kindly see. Sexual assault has raised not only in respect of this court, but also in the 4 other senior judges of this court. Well, kindly see.
The stress was given on rape issues, not on that part. He is misinterpreting.
So did you raise issues?
I'm showing you this.
Did you raise issues?
He should.
Kindly see page number 74.
74.
The letter was sent to the address of the petition number 1, addressing to the summary. Shall I read it out because it will be contemptuous words?
No, I don't want.
And why so late from it? That is, my name has been played with date. That has been sent by the client accused, that is number 13. And cancellation of date.
How can you say? It is anonymous, I believe.
Yes.
Then that is again your suspicion.
Yes. And I cancellation of date because justice and the letter has been placed.
Anybody can send any anonymous letter to anybody. So based on that, you cannot come to a conclusion that such and such has specifically addressed a letter.
Yes, you're
Right?
But
I am time and again asking all of you to keep your calm because I need to understand. And you have come here for certain relief, yes or no. If you go on shouting, it doesn't have any impact on me, sir, on this court particularly. I'm trying to resolve your issue. If you have 1 volume, I can also go to 10 for that matter. But we are not here to accuse each one of us. I'm trying to understand. You are saying that CID is not going to do. What happened? Who is she? Oh, acha. So whether CID will be the proper person to conduct the investigation, if you have any issues against that, we are on that point. So let's first stick to it, right? Sir, if you can ask Mr. Debashish Roy to be present because it is his
submission
which has been recorded by the...
All right, Mallow, kindly fix the date so that I can...
Let us find it out one by one, right? You have your apprehension. You said that the CID will not be...
No capacity to investigate this case.
Has got no authority.
If that be the case, let us see what our learned public prosecutor has to say because it is his statement.
Yes, it is his statement. Yes, Malad, my submission is in my.
Because here
Yes, my lord. Everything is here.
I have read through the the prayer. I have not gone into the details.
My lord, I have handed
We
over
have
this status to you.
Take to her the prayer of the petitions. Now they have come to page 134.
That's CID, questioning the
question of CID.
The power of CID.
Yes.
How
Now,
the CID can come.
resolve this issue first.
Yes, first you might not resolve.
Thereafter we will.
Yes.
Which one?
For further reinvestigation, no other authority is not permitted.
Fair enough. Let Mr. Roy be here.
Shobhan Sengupta. Well, because actually I have.
Devashish Roy.
Oh, Devashish Roy, he is the. Yes. So that, my lord, I will.
You will be there.
Yes. No, my lord, only thing, my lord, kindly consider, my lord is absolutely right. And my lord, only first point that his challenge is that CID has got no authority to take up this matter on his own. Because there is no, this is his prime.
Yes. Yes.
Now, my lord, so far this point is concerned, my lord, CID can take up any issue independently, even if no order is passed. This is the, my lord, circular. My lord, the court.
Sir,
right.
right.
Yes.
But
Now.
Mr. Roy must have had something in his
Something
mind.
in. That's
which
right, my
might have
yes, my lord is absolutely.
made him make
Yes. So, my lord, kindly
statement.
fix a date so that I can. Yes.
And let him mention.
Yes.
Thereafter, we will take up this issue as to whether CID has the
Yes.
capacity to do it or not, and also consider the notification that you are
Yes.
placing.
And placing the prayer number 8 because security is much more essential. Solution to be given as we are getting regular threats, he is more. That's why I am submitting this supplementary evidence.
What is this?
On the facts of the.
Have you given them a copy?
Lordship, I may be
Just now.
submissions which are very important and very relevant for whom. And for private respondent number 13, the complainant of FIR 86 of 23, Your Lord. Yes. Your Lordship, the order which was passed in CRR 1023, which has been referred by the Learned Counsel, it was in this criminal revision which was filed twice for three criminal cases which are based on all frivolous grounds and finding Your Lordship on 12/3/2020
Pertaining to the same police station?
Yes, Your Lordship, on 12
Number case. This is 86, I believe.
Yes.
Your Lordship,
86 were several cases. So that, my lord, the learned PP at that point of time, after going through the records, so that she made a.
File through an application, Madam.
Your Lordship, this order.
This is an order.
One order is referred, but
Because, my lord, so as to everything will come into under one.
Understand, sir, but he must have
Yes.
which prompted him to make such a
Yes.
So let us hear it from him.
first order of 1023 was passed on 12 March, Your Lordship, wherein the government leader has been directed by the Honorable Court to report as to how many matters are pending before the same parties. So on the next day, before the matter could be taken up, on 4th of April, Your Lordship, this order is very important, that she made a complaint before the Honorable Court that she has filed several complaints about the Honorable Judges and this.
Madam, we'll take it up later on at a later stage, okay? If at all necessary. Let the Ladyship, now the supplementary affidavit which pertains to that, Ladyship, everything was okay, everything was fine, my life was going smooth. All of a sudden, 29th of April,
Have you given them?
yes, Ladyship, I have submitted.
Just now.
On the next day, please let me submit. Please, you have received just now, let me submit, please.
Yeah, just now we have.
You have given them? Yes, Ladyship. Give them a copy?
Just now I have
You have received a copy, sir. You give them a copy? Yes, Ladyship, I have given. You give him a copy? Yes. Sir, He's respondent number 1 and 2, the union. On the last occasion, you said presently your grievance is only against Yes, Ladyship. My present grievance still pertains to respondent number 1 only, Ladyship, primary, because Ladyship, others are not there. No, Ladyship, everything is there. Primary prayer and primary prayer is security, Ladyship, as because Ladyship, just kindly 2 minutes patient hearing, 2 minutes I will submit everything. 29th use your, I mean, be
Yes,
careful
Ladyship.
about the language.
Ladyship, yes, I bow down. I will.
And your tone and tenor.
Ladyship.
Tell me.
Ladyship, on 29th of April 2023, I was beaten up. I was molested in my own chamber, humiliated, everything. Ladyship,
Present.
after 1 year, after 13 months, Ladyship, all of a sudden, as because I represented first PIL in person petitioner from state of West Bengal on behalf of Sandeshkhali victim women, the state government started targeting me.
Madam, your issue.
Yes,
Here.
issue pertains to this. Yes,
Petition is different from what other matters are there.
it is connected. It is connected to Sandeshkhali corely. Yes.
Then you take actions
Yes, I am taking actions, Ladyship.
categorically mentioned on the earlier date that I will not go beyond this particular
Yes,
petition.
Ladyship, as because I do cases against state of West Bengal, the TMC government is completely against me, Ladyship.
That you're the
I need the protection, Ladyship, otherwise I will be unable to move before your Ladyship in person. My life is the primary concern now. I'm not concerned. FIR, Ladyship, if they want to, they have the power in their hand, they will file 10 more cases, they will make me arrested.
they file
Many cases, Ladyship. Ladyship, there are total 7 to 8 cases, Ladyship, against me. Not everything is possible for me to find out because every day they are creating new issues. For the past 2 days, Navanna Abhijan, even I was not even present. Still they are connecting me. Ladyship, to be very, Ladyship, continuously, she is continuously talking. It is very much political.
Already handed over. But
It is
everything-
political. It is very much related to political rivalry. I have to state everything before Ladyship.
okay. I told you these
Ladyship,
have you taken up in the writ petition all these?
Yes, yes. That is the main subject matter which I approached before Supreme Court. I Supreme Court ordered that I have reported Supreme Court that I am the Sandeshkhali counsel. After that, they are taking charge of my personal case. 14 months old charge sheeted. 14 months, Ladyship. I repeat.
That is the subject matter of this.
Yes, everything is connected. Ladyship, kindly have some patience. I will make you understand A to Z details, Ladyship.
Not in this higher pay.
Ladyship, I bow down for my voice, Ladyship. I was a classical singer. That's why my voice tonal
Fair
is
enough.
little bit higher, Ladyship.
Come down and then
I bow down, Ladyship.
Paragraph number 32, that is mentioned within my writ petition. Within writ petition that the Sandeshkhali matter was there. Thereafter, they have been much more active against her. That is, they are on a.
My old parents, who are they? By the way, the TMC goons. The TMC cadres, Deepak Shankar Rai, who have filed a case sitting in Bangladesh, Ladyship. He have not even examined by the police. No sign in the FIR sheet, Ladyship.
you have taken some steps against that.
I have taken steps before Supreme Court. Supreme Court remanded back to Honorable Calcutta High Court. High Court given me some protection to some extent that not to take any coercive step by the police. That only, Ladyship. But Ladyship, my life protection have not been granted, Ladyship. I want that my life to be go on uninterruptedly. I can profess and practice my profession, Ladyship, as because I am a socially active citizen. I work for the society. There are several victim women for whom I stand up. I have 40 to 50 victim women for whom I stand up. All from the NGOs, from many places, Ladyship. I beg.
Who is doing what to you?
Ladyship,
There must be
the local political party have broke down my chamber glass. They have come, they have affixed a letter in my father's residence where I am the complainant. It is showing that it is a 354 offense
Have you filed any?
yes, supplementary affidavit. I have filed.
When did you
Ladyship,
file? When did
again on that day only.
Which date?
That is on
16.
August 16th, 2024, Ladyship.
So there must be some investigation.
Ladyship, I couldn't file it to DG because they are against me. CP, no. For local police, I cannot because the local police is doing this against me, Ladyship. Kindly understand the grassroots level, Ladyship. How we are living, Ladyship. Because in the grassroots level, the local police station is 100 meters from my chamber.
Kindly
You are an
protection.
by profession. Here you are there.
I have approached to Supreme Court CJI. I made an email.
You have to understand that this court has its limitation. You have come up in this writ petition with certain grievances, with certain prayers.
Yes.
Now you are
Kindly look into that only. Yes.
You are stating certain other issues which are not the subject matter of this.
Because this is everything, every day new cause of actions are happening, ladyship. Where I will go? Where before the court, if I can't keep on faith, ladyship, where I will go? Who will protect me? Because ladyship, the Union of India don't have any objection to give me security. At least give me that the respondent, my sole prayer is against the respondent number 1.
Your Lordship, they are willing to give you security.
Your Lordship,
Your Lordship, she's creating. You are a private complaint.
But I'm the sufferer, Your Lordship. I am being assaulted. I have been kidnapped by them. By both of them, Your Lordship. I have been extorted an amount of rupees 12 lakhs, Your Lordship. And I was
filed any case?
Yes, on the basis of the writ application. On the basis of yes, Your Lordship. The writ application was filed in September.
Copy of this supplementary affidavit. And you file the reply to it. Okay, and you file a reply because it is to be provided by you.
Your Lordship,
whether you feel
order of
that the facts and circumstances of the case are such, you also must be interested.
As Your Lordship, in case we go through it and I shall.
You go through it and then you come up.
And if it's a short date, I shall come.
I should order of the Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court order, Your Lordship. Yesterday it was passed. Her transfer applications have been dismissed, Your Lordship. Honorable,
whatever you people are not at consensus, sir.
Your Lordship, just
you give me things in piecemeal. How can that be?
Because there is a divorce.
Every time she's filing new cases.
Divorce of the origin is based on divorce. The person staying at
come into play, sir.
Trying to divert the court opinion.
Out of Bangladesh, that she got enough money, or I do not know. That's why that.
So you are confusing.
He is only to confuse, because other than confusion, he cannot win the case.
You are here to shout, and if you are here to, every time create a trouble, madam. What is this? Is it a marketplace that you are shouting and creating problems?
Ladyship,
I am trying to help you out.
The case is not about divorce, ladyship. He is trying to
manipulate. I'm asking him to explain. Lordship. Why are you coming into the midway?
Lordship, can you give me just 2 minutes? I will explain the whole.
As of now, there are 2 issues to be decided. One, Mr. Rai will be present here and he will explain as to why he has mentioned the CID investigation.
Yes.
Number 2, as far as this supplementary affidavit is concerned, all of you file a reply to it.
Okay.
And again, I will make it crystal clear to all of you that I am not going beyond the subject matter and the prayers of this writ petition. Whatever is the background, you have other forums open. You can go and seek your redressal therein. And this is not a place where you fight with others at top of your voice, madam. I'm listening to you. I'm trying to understand your case so that if required, if the respondent number 1 and 2 are agreeable to it, they will take
whatever they recommend. I want.
They will take
the thing is
step. See that it is required.
State has got no objection.
Because if they are so, against the state mechanism,
yes.
If they do not have faith, then if the the respondent is in a position to provide, considering the gravity, the intensity, the severity, then they can do it.
Let them explain. Because why they, yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
So that is for you to assess.
Yes.
And thereafter they take the state.
I not do decide this. I not go to the next item.
So let them assess the situation. Thereafter. Is it all right?
And only thing, my lord,
Yes.
may I only file? I am filing the status report because
What is this? This a transfer petition?
Even my lord will get everything from here. so that my lord can visualize the situation. May I get a copy of this? Because
Which one?
no.
Give them also a copy.
We have not
No,
received.
my lord, I have handed over.
No, you have not handed over. You always lied for the court.
He is incorrigible. You don't even listen to the court.
Ma'am, he have not served me copy. That I said to him. He has
Just
not.
look at your language.
What a copy?
I have been beaten. No? My family is in danger. Definitely, I will. What am I supposed to? Which way am I supposed to say or speak? Now I have to learn manners. Now I have to learn manners. He is not giving me a clear answer, sir. Lordship.
Ask your friend to be more polite and be considerate about the.
Yes, Lordship, I can understand, but please, I will request you to consider, as because that has happened to my family. You also understand, Lordship. And they are poking, continuously provoking. Being a senior advocate, provoking. I am telling, I am submitting. They are telling. মানে পাশ থেকে বলছে বাবা কমেন্টও চাই, ম্যাডাম কি বলবো বলুন, মানে আমি বাংলাও বলে দিচ্ছি প্রভোকেশন।
অ্যাটলিস্ট আমার সেই ক্যাপাসিটি আছে যে আমি এই বয়সে ভিকটিমদের রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি, টাকার জন্য মাথাটা বিক্রি করিনি ধর্ষকদের কাছে, যেটা স্টেট করে।
প্লিজ আপনারা বাংলায় বলছেন, আমিও আপনাকে বাংলায় বলছি।
লর্ডশিপ কাইন্ডলি ওদেরকে
যে ধরনের মানে অভিব্যক্তি, তাতে তো আপনি নিজেকে আগের দিনও আমি ওকে বলেছিলাম।
I will not come before the
My lord, I want to retire from this witness. I will not, my lord.
should be insult.
I do not want to.
I have huge respect for the court. That's why I got so much. I mean, when he said, I got provoked. When he said in the name of the court, I don't have any anger or anything. I have immense respect for the court. Whatever I am today, that is because of this black court. So I know how to respect the court and the judges. I have immense respect for the court.
The way you are behaving, you think that the court will feel.
Ladyship, my behavior can be wrong, but my intentions can never be wrong. My behavior is wrong. I apologize.
You keep calm. Let him.
Yes, Ladyship, I will not come. I will not disturb your Ladyship from the next day. But Ladyship, at least give me protection because
It is your entire desire whether you will come before the
I bow down, Ladyship.
It is not the question of disturbing the court.
Yes, Ladyship.
That is the decorum of the court.
Yeah, touch.
You have come here in the capacity.
But I second you, Ladyship. I second you. I am on your right.
Of a litigant and not an advocate.
Yes, Ladyship.
If that be the case.
Yes.
I told you on earlier occasion also.
Yes, Ladyship.
Create that impression.
Yes, Ladyship. My impression is wrong, but my intentions are never wrong, Ladyship. He is telling that, okay, commando chai. What he knows that what kind of things are to why our senior lawyer is provoking me.
Why then you get provoked?
Ladyship, I just want to know when the victim is dead, then it is said that the victim has the fault. When the victim is coming before the court alive, doing for the society, then again it is being told.
I have asked you time and again to lower down your voice and submit.
I love you.
Your friend is much more matured.
Not friend, Lordship, I am the husband of her.
I don't know whatever relationship you have.
He is professionally junior to me.
I don't
also junior to me.
Both of you are two litigants. Petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2.
ম্যাডাম একটা কথা বলবো, এই কথাটা বলার জন্য ইনি বললেন প্রফেশনাল জুনিয়র, দেখতেও জুনিয়র। এই কমেন্ট কেন করছেন কাছে দাঁড়িয়ে? আমার কানে এলো, আমি তো মিথ্যা কথা বলেছি। জুনিয়র তাই ম্যাডাম বললেন সেটা।
আপনারা কি এটাকে কি ভেবেছেন? এটা মাছের বাজার?
এরকম ভাবে কমেন্ট পাস করছেন, একটু আপনি দেখুন।
পাস করছে মানে আপনারা কমেন্ট শুনছেন কেন? আমি তো শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
ঠিক আছে,
আপনাদেরকে আমি হেল্প করতে চাইছি।
ঠিক আছে।
And I don't know, sir. I really don't know.
ওটা বলতে হবে, ওটা করছে।
And they must be quite junior to you, and don't make passing comments if at all you have done.
I did not make any comment. But this is here.
So now from the next day onwards, I have to keep a divider here probably.
Lordship,
If at all, I need a divider between. I mean, this is High Court. Issue.
Lordship, the status report copy we have not received. They have not given now.
Give them a copy of the status report.
কিন্তু দিয়েছিলাম সব।
No, that one is they don't get to.
The learned advocate for the petitioner has filed a supplementary affidavit.
নেই আর নেই।
This is on behalf of petitioner number 1, right?
I am petitioner number 2 in person. He is 1 in person
Now, this has been filed by petitioner number 1.
by herself.
The supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner number 1 in person, we kept on record. A copy of the same has been served upon the other respondents, being respondent number 1 to 13. The learned advocate for the petitioner referred to the order.
Lordship, last order.
Order dated 8/4/2024 in
CRR.
by this honorable court in CRR 1023 of 2024, as well as